The Nazi war machine was on its last legs, hammered on all sides by Allied forces. After so much sacrifice, so much horror, it seemed the world would wake at last from its nightmare. Instead, Hitler woke the dead. The Allies didn't stand a chance. Hitler's trolls were tireless, numberless, merciless. They came from everywhere. Nowhere was safe. But we formed a resistance, and we fought on despite the odds. The Dead War, we called it. After months of brutal losses, a volunteer squad turned the tide. They cast Hitler into another world, cutting the head from the snake. And yet still the war rages. Even with no leader and no purpose, the dead roam the earth in swarms 1 million strong. And us? Well, we're taking the world back, one bullet at a time.
Still no response from base. Something must be up with the radios. Better get back there before Bruno blows a fuse.
I see them! They are back! Hey, over here! Come on! You're the last out! We have been waiting for you! This locked down, you know? Doors are supposed to stay shut!
Lockdown?
All right, open up!
Welcome back. Good to see you're still in one piece.
What's with the lockdown? What happened?
The brass issued an evac order. We're getting out of this dump. Go talk to Bruno. He's been waiting for you.
Ah, grazie a Dio. You're alive. What took you so long, eh? I thought we'd have to leave without you.
Sorry, no such luck. What's all this about anyway?
Orders came this morning. Milan's not safe anymore, so we're pulling out. Or we were, until the damned radios went down. Think you could help? Go upstairs and take over from Jack. Then we'll get you to your train.
I'll see what I can do.
Oh, hello there. You see the radio mast? Damn husks are all over it, and they just won't stay still. Maybe you could clear them out, eh?
I swear these things get dumber every day. Stand aside.
Ah, merci whenever you're ready. Just aim and squeeze, mon ami. Search marksmanship, c'est magnifique! Très bien, look out, husks! Captain Headshot is here. Amazing, you have the eyes of an orc. Mon ami, you are a true hero, a lifesaver. I thank you.
Testing! Testing! Ah, thank the heavens it works. Now that's done, report to medical for a quick checkup. Then we'll see about getting you to your train, eh?
Oh, if it isn't the best kill squad in all of Italy. I trust you are being careful out there, yeah? Here, take a med kit. Never know when you might need fixing up.
Thanks, Doc. Appreciate it.
Are back up and running. It's time we got you out of here. Head to platform 5. There's a train waiting for you there.
Copy that. Thanks, Bruno.
Hey, Hotshot, come here. You see this here workbench? You can use it to switch your old weapons for nice shiny new ones. Don't be shy. Try it out. You can upgrade your weapons at workbenches as well, provided you have the right parts.
Another earthquake. Becoming more frequent. That's the 4th today. Go on. You better get to that train before this whole damn place collapses.
Stay down. A train full of zombies just crashed through the wall. Not husks, real zombies. The station's under siege.
Bastardo! No time to waste. Push forward through the station and get to that train. And look out for survivors as you go.
Damn it, station's a wreck. Bruno, we're taking the long way round. More dead coming off the train. Clearing the area. Kill confirmed. That's it. Damn it, it's a blood seal. That's bad news.
You remember how to deal with them, yes? Destroy the dead that guard it, and you'll break the seal.
I've turned on the old base defenses. My kinetic armament turbines. If you see one, shoot it, and it'll activate the defense mechanism. Should help you out.
Thanks, Edie. I'll keep that in mind. Top of the coal carriage. Grenade! Damn it, they're everywhere. Undead bastards.
Gun them down and push forward.
Not bad. Frag out. Bruno, I have a feeling we're not gonna find any survivors.
Damn it! Just keep going and get to that train! You can still make it!
Crap. That's a suicide.
Suiciders! No!
There's more. Stay down. Suicider down. Suiciders are back, and that settles it. This war is not over.
just got through to HQ. Almost all fortified positions are reporting surprise attacks. This is not an isolated incident. It's a coordinated assault.
But how? Where the hell did they come from?
I don't know. All surviving units are being ordered to fall back and regroup. Once we're safe, then we can start asking questions. Get to that train, Alpha Squad. HQ needs you ready for action.
So you found a weapon attachment. They're a one-time use, but they should give your guns some added oomph. Have fun.
I'll keep that in mind. You'll regret that. Damn, it's dark down here. Flooded too. I don't like this. Damn it, they're in the water! You again.
Pass over the bridge and you'll be on platform 5.
Low on ammo. Ammo. Kill confirmed.
Hey! Over here! Help us! We can't get out!
Survivors, Hold on, I'm coming.
I thought we was done for. I know it's not much, but please, take this. It should help you out.
Thanks. Wait till it's safe and get out of here. The ground's collapsing. A chasm of lava just swallowed the tracks.
Lava? Oh, mamma mia. Can you still get to the signal house? Is it still there?
It's there, but the path has been destroyed. The only way across is over the fire.
Well, then you'll have to take your chances. Go. Hurry.
This is not what I thought I'd be doing today. They're coming from the roof. Why are they coming from the roof? Shot me! I'm back.
There you are. Thank you. I'm in the train just past the signal house, but we can't move till the tracks have been sweet. Get into the signal house and pull the lever and join me on the train.
Now there's a damn flamer? Aim for the tank on its back. Flamer spot!